I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Divi Engine as a trigger. Click the Fetch button, go to the form page, and submit the form to retrieve it. Form submitted successfully. After submitting the form, the Divi engine has been successfully fetched. I will now change the field types for the email and phone numbers. Set action. Search and select the action Mailster. Connect to Mailster. Mailster connected successfully. Next. Map the respective fields. Under the Actions, click on the Status checkbox and choose a subscriber status. Click on the Lists checkbox and choose a list. Click on the Tags checkbox and choose Tags. Here are the advanced features in conditional logics. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Then go to the Mailster dashboard and click on the subscribers. Here you can see that the data has been come successfully in the Mailster subscribers. Thanks for watching.